Hello everyone, and welcome back to day 2 of learning Worthy by Elevation Worship. My name is Mandy and I'm so glad that you are here. Sign Language Worship is a YouTube channel dedicated to teaching you how to use sign language in order to worship God. So today yesterday we learned verse 1. Today we're going to be learning both the chorus and verse 2. I know I said at the end of yesterday's video we just learned the chorus, but I really feel that the chorus is so simple that we can do it 2 for 1 today. Okay? Housekeeping as always, remember I am left-handed. If you're right-handed, you're going to mirror my signs. If you look below this video in the description, you're going to find lots of helpful links like printing off the lyrics. And last but not least, please subscribe to the channel. That way you won't miss any of your future favorite songs, or check out the website signlanguageworship.com. Okay, so the chorus is worthy is your name, Jesus. You deserve the praise. Worthy is your name, and then that repeats. So it's pretty simple. Okay, so for worthy, what you do is just like when you made those F's for freedom, we're gonna do the same thing, but this time we're gonna start with them down here and then flip them up so that our thumbs and our index fingers are together. Okay, and that's worthy. Worthy. Okay, worthy is your, pointing to God in heaven, name. So for name, you're essentially making a little X with your index finger and your third finger, name, and then Jesus, you're showing the nail-pierced hands. Okay? So worthy is your name, Jesus. You deserve the praise. Pointing to God, you deserve, so you have your non-dominant hand out like this as a reference point, and it's like you're collecting things. Deserve. Okay? Deserve. Deserve, and then praise is clapping towards heaven. That's all the signs you need for the chorus. It just repeats. Okay? So you have worthy is your name, Jesus. You deserve the praise. Okay? So the actual chorus has those lines, and then it says worthy is your name, and then the whole thing repeats. Okay? So let's do that twice, and then we'll move on to verse 2. Worthy is your name, Jesus. You deserve the praise. Worthy is your name. And then again, worthy is your name, Jesus. You deserve the praise. Worthy is your name. Okay, and that's the chorus. So let's do it one more time. Worthy is your name, Jesus. You deserve the praise. Worthy is your name. And again, worthy is your name, Jesus. You deserve the praise. Worthy is your name. And that's the chorus. Okay, so now 3 minutes in, and we're going to start working on verse 2. Okay, and now my shame is gone. So we learned now already in verse 1. You make these hands, and now my, and then shame. Kind of start here with your hand cupped. Shamed. Okay? Now my shame, and then gone. It's like you're holding something and then you lose it. Okay? And now my shame is gone. And now my shame is gone. I stand amazed in your love, undeniable. So we don't need to say I stand amazed. We can just say I'm amazed. So I, and then amazed, you kind of make it a cupped hand again, and it kind of at your jawline. Amazed. Okay. I'm amazed at your love. And then undeniable, we're going to be like, it's true. Okay. And you just have a single, your index finger here, and then coming out from your chin. Like, absolutely. For sure. Okay. So let's try that from the top. And now my shame is gone. And I'm amazed at your love, undeniable. Your grace goes on and on. So your, and then grace, you make a G. Okay, you start up here and then it kind of falls on you. It's God's grace, okay? Grace. So I flick it and then fall. Grace goes on and on. So for that we're gonna do again and again. Okay, so for again, you have your non-dominant hand here. Your dominant hand is kind of bent like this. Again. again and again. So it's your grace again and again. Your grace goes on, and then that line that we learned already in verse 1, I will sing of your goodness forever. I will sing of your goodness forevermore. Okay, let's try verse number 2 twice. Okay? And now my shame is gone, and I stand amazed in your love undeniable. Your grace goes on, and I will sing of your goodness forevermore. Yeah, let's do that one more time. And now my shame is gone. I stand amazed, your love undeniable. Your grace goes on, and I will sing of your goodness forevermore. So that's both the chorus and verse 2. Great job, guys. Practice that as many times as you need. And if you only need verse 2, it starts about the 3-minute mark. Okay, so if you only need to practice that, then you know where that is. Super proud of you guys. Can't wait to see you tomorrow. Tomorrow we're learning the bridge. Bye. If you liked today's video, please click like. It gives me the encouragement I need to make more. Also, don't forget to subscribe, that way you'll miss no future songs. And lastly, share Sign Language Worship on Facebook. Find a friend to learn sign with. That way, you're both more likely to stick with it. See you later.